In this quick tutorial, you will learn to split a single clip, split multiple clips, etc. To split a single clip, select the razor tool or press C on your keyboard. Now bring cursor over intended position and click to make a cut. So how to split a specific clip when you have many clips in timeline? Bring razor tool over the clip. A vertical dotted line will highlight over each clip. Now click and it will split the top video and bottom audio clips because both are linked. If you want to split only audio or just video, then right click and unlink the clip. Now you can split only video or only its audio. To split all stacked clips at once, bring razor tool over intended point, press shift key on keyboard and keep it pressed. You will see a vertical line passing through all clips. When you click, it will split everything, whether it is image, video or audio. There is another way to split all clips. Click selection tool, position playhead over specific position, select all clips and then press Ctrl+K on keyboard. Now it is easy to select all clips and move them away. Let me undo the recent changes. To split multiple but only specific clips, click selection tool or press V on keyboard. Bring the playhead on intended position, press shift on keyboard and keep it pressed while you select specific clips. Release the shift key after selecting multiple clips. Now press Ctrl and K on keyboard to split the selected clips. You can see that only selected clips are split. Let's learn how to split a clip from a specific frame. For example, I want to cut video clip when its playback reaches before this text but after white background. It is difficult to control the exact playback position through playhead. So I will zoom in the timeline through the slider at bottom. Now it is easy to bring the playhead to the exact intended position. Alternatively, I can also press the left and right arrow keys on keyboard to move playhead one frame at a time. It will enable me to split a clip at a precise position of video. To split video clip at a specific time frame, for example, I want to cut video for Twitter max duration of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Then I will click on the current time indicator and manually write the required time. So I have written the Twitter required time for video. You can see that playhead is positioned at the exact time point. Now I will select all clips and press Ctrl and K to split all clips. To delete any clips, just select them and press delete on keyboard. If you have any other related question, then please write in comment. Thanks for liking and sharing this video. Watch more tutorials about Adobe Premiere Pro.